The Grand Canyon by Jeffrey Zulick, Lightning Bolt Books. Today we are going to read 3 chapters. Chapter 1, Welcome to the Grand Canyon. Chapter 2, What Made the Grand Canyon. And Chapter 3, Visiting the Grand Canyon. Welcome to the Grand Canyon. Have you ever seen this place before? It is the Grand Canyon. The word grand means huge, beautiful, and amazing. The Grand Canyon is all of these things. The canyon's rocky walls are tall and colorful. The canyon is 1 mile deep in some places. That is 1.6 kilometers. The Grand Canyon is 277 miles long. Some parts are 10 miles wide. Does that sound grand to you? This picture of the Grand Canyon was taken from an airplane. The Grand Canyon is in northern Arizona. It cuts through dry desert. Hot, dry desert surrounds the Grand Canyon. Millions of people visit the canyon each year. They come to hike and camp. They come to see the beautiful walls. The Grand Canyon is an amazing place to visit. People hike on a trail in the Grand Canyon. What made the Grand Canyon? Did you know that the Grand Canyon is millions of years old? But what made the canyon? Would you believe it was the Colorado River? The Colorado River cuts through the middle of the Grand Canyon. The river's rushing water has slowly carved out the canyon. The water carries rock away. This is called erosion. River waters have slowly eroded the Grand Canyon's walls. The water acts very slowly. How slowly? It has taken the Colorado River 6 million years to carve out the Grand Canyon. Can you see the colored stripes on the canyon's walls? Each stripe is a layer of rock. Each layer is a different kind of rock. Bands of rock give the Grand Canyon its colorful look. The newest rock is at the top of the canyon. This white-colored rock is called Kaibab limestone. This rock is about 300 feet thick. The oldest rock is at the bottom of the canyon. This dark, hard rock is called the Vishnu schist. It is about 2 billion years old. Low layers of the canyon are older than layers near the top. The canyon has many more layers. One layer is called Redwall limestone. This rock is more than 300 million years old. Red limestone walls glow during a sunrise. Visiting the Grand Canyon. People come from all around the world to visit the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is a huge place. It would take years to see every part of it, but you can see and do a lot in just a few days. This is a picture of a hiker walking along a trail in the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is a United States national park. The U.S. government owns and protects this land. Grand Canyon National Park is one of the most popular national parks in the United States. U.S. park rangers work here. They help visitors find their way around. They help keep the park clean and safe. Rangers also teach people all about the canyon. This is a picture of a ranger at the Grand Canyon looking through a pair of binoculars. Grand Canyon National Park has 3 different parts. Each part is very different. The northern part of the park is called the North Rim. The word rim means outer edge. The North Rim is the coldest part of the park. This is a view from the North Rim of the Grand Canyon. Most people visit the South Rim. This is the southern part of the park. People come here to hike, camp, and explore. Visitors of the Southern Rim look out over the canyon in this picture. People ride mules on the park's trails. These animals carry visitors down to the canyon floor. Traveling by mule is common in the Grand Canyon. The canyon floor is called the Inner Canyon. This is the place to see the Colorado River up close. The Inner Canyon has many trails and streams to explore. Elves Chasm is in the Inner Canyon. It has a pretty waterfall. Some visitors go rafting on the Colorado River. They ride the fast-moving water. It's fun, but dangerous. Would you like to ride the river someday? These rafters are enjoying an exciting ride on the Colorado River. As you enjoy a map of the Grand Canyon area, let me share a few fun facts. Arizona's nickname is the Grand Canyon State. About 5 million people visit the Grand Canyon each year. It takes between 2 and 3 weeks to ride a raft from one end of the canyon to the other.